In this video, I will show you how to send WhatsApp bulk messages. Simply you have to visit Google Chrome Web Store, and after that simply add this extension to your Chrome. You can also use these extensions. So there are many also paid software available to send WhatsApp bulk messages. So simply add this extension to your Chrome, and after that open this extension. So now here you have to click on go to free version. So here you can see you can upload your contact list here through Excel sheet, or you can add your number one by one here. So simply select your country code here and enter the number in sequence where you want to send the messages. So just after that here type your name, date, message and everything. After that here you can see start send message option. So just after typing your message and adding your number, simply if you click here, so just the messages will be sent to all WhatsApp numbers. So you can also use the paid version of this extension. So in this way you can send WhatsApp bulk SMS worldwide.